Hey everybody, we're watching House Explosion. Oh my god. 2 seconds in and it already exploded for us. You guys
Bro,
better
that's
run.
Hiroshima bomb.
Shut up.
Holy cow!
Somebody call Russia with their tanks?
Oh my god.
Why is it doing this? Why
I don't
is
know.
a bunch of houses blowing up? They're still blowing up. Oh, it's that meme! It's the meme! It's the meme! Now I know! My mind every time a new music video by Rusty Cage comes out.
Jesus Christ! That's worse than Hiroshima bomb.
Bella, stop it.
It's worse than me.
Shut up.
I blow up every time.
Oh, don't say it's the house right next to them. Oh, it's
Nope.
not.
I've been like, hey.
Get behind the fire truck.
What if it goes flippity floppity flop? When my mind blows up.
Oh no, it's the house right next to them. No.
My mind when it blows up.
And they're all dead. Oh, never mind. Nobody died. That's good.
Literally my mind when somebody gets way too close to me.
That's good. Nobody died. It wasn't that bad.
No.
Okay, so they're pulling out. They see their house another house explode, which is not good. This is only 3 minutes and like 30 seconds long, so we're fine.
No. My mind when it blows
Which
up.
house? Oh, I thought it was the one right there, like next to them, right?
That'd be
Here.
bad. The fire truck wouldn't fall over, but if it was like a serious explosion, then...
Bella, be quiet. Well, it's this White House right here.
The White House.
Bella, it's just a White House, not the White House.
Holy cow! Lightning started it all. That's me when I...
Bella, shut up.
That's me when I...
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
That's me when I poop out...
Shut up.
That's me when I poop out my
Shut
poo-poo
up.
shit. Poo-poo shit. Ow! Stop. My brother's abusing me.
I'm not. I'm telling her to shut up.
You see red. I see orange. Then the Mexican dude sees that.
Bella, shut up. Oh my gosh. Finally, that thing is over. Now she can get out of my room. Start my webcam. It's almost done. I need to spray paint it. See you guys later. Catch you on the flip side. Wait. Go away. No, I'm not. See you guys later. Catch you on the flip side.